Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we're going to be learning how to create something on Scratch. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up Scratch, and when you open it you should see a screen like this. You're going to go on create. Once you click on create, you should see something like this. So it's still loading, and then you should see something like this. And in this video we're going to be building dancing ballerina. Dancing ballerina. We're going to delete the cat. We're going to go in the sprite. We're going to choose one. Our is the ballerina. We're going to put the ballerina right here. We're going to go in the backgrounds. And we're going to choose a concert. Oh, come on. There you go. Put it right here, and then we go on our codes and we say when green flag clicked, put it right there, and then we go in forever. We say forever. This is a loop, and then we go in the looks. We say new costume, and then we say the wait for 1 second. We put it right there. We're going to change that to 0.5 seconds, and then we go into the motions. We click on 10, and then we go on if. Where is my if? Where is my if? Oh, okay, if on edge bounce, and then we're basically done. And then when we click enter, it should do something like this. So that's pretty easy to do, and that's one of my things. So I hope you learned this and this helped. Let's say we want to create another one. Save now. I'm going to save my project, and let's say we want to create a loop for next loop for dragon dancing. So we go back to Scratch, we go back to create, and this is a tutorial. You can watch a tutorial if you want later on. Let's focus on the video, and we're going to delete the sprite. We're going to go choose a new sprite. We're going to choose a dragon or dinosaur. In my case, this one. I'm going to put it right here. Let's say I want to choose a background, and I'm going to choose it. I'm going to choose it in the wetland, and I'm gonna go on events when green flag clicked. I'm gonna go on the forever one. I'm gonna say click a loop, and I'm gonna say repeat. I'm gonna put this right here, change this to 3. We're gonna say on looks, we're gonna go switch to dinosaur right there, and then we're gonna go on the control. We're gonna go wait 0.5 seconds. Oh, oops, my bad. 0.5 seconds, and then we do click another repeat. We go in controls, repeat, and then we do 3 seconds, and then we do move 20 spaces, edit this 20 spaces, and then we say wait 0.5 seconds, and then we go down here, we say wait, and then we say yep, 1 second's fine, we go into repeat, and then we say, in the repeat we're going to say 3 seconds. We say go and move right here, minus 20, and then we go on the wait 0.5 seconds, and then we go on think. Where is my think for 2 seconds, right there. We say I love to dance, exclamation mark, and then I think that's it. We click, just do it, and make sure, yep, there we go, it's dancing. I love to dance. There we go, see, it's dancing, and then say I love to dance. See, this is one of them. We're gonna say dinosaur, and dancing, save. So those are two of the projects you can also do. If you want to create something else by your own self, you can do that. It's not too difficult. Let's say we want to alright, let's say we want to draw something. You go on Scratch again, you go on Create, and we say it's like in events, when green flag, orange, let's say set events. Let's say we do it on set step, or on variables. We go set step to this dbs steps to 5. We go take the forever, and then we put it right here, and then we go move. We go right here, move. We go on variables, steps, and then we go over here. We go if on edge, bounce. When we click enter, see what it's doing like that. You can also do that. I'm going to save now. So I think that's it for today. Hope you guys learned something new. Hope you guys liked some of the projects I did. And that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye bye.